Hey, it's a boy, Wamurimu, aka the fashion philosopher. Welcome to Shela Entertainment. Boy meets girl, boy ushela ugel, bayamyala or bayamkoma, uneriz or akanayo. We don't know. We will find out. So today I am with Box Minaj from the LGBT community. So we're switching things up a little this episode. So can you please intro yourself?
Hi, my name is Boxer Minaj, but unfortunately, I'm not in my usual costume that I wear as that person, so I think I'll be regarded as Kigo rather.
Oh, nice to have you, Kigo.
Yeah.
So, Kigo, here's the narrative of today. So, I want to understand how it's like in the LGBTQ, like Ukshelana and all those things, because I don't have experience in that industry. So, can you please enlighten us?
If I were to have this conversation, well, I'm having it right now, it's going to take ages. But from my POV point of view, I feel like in the LGBTQI plus community, it's a little bit difficult, because sometimes it's very difficult to know your type, because there's different levels in the LGBTQI plus community. Like we have top, bottom, and verse, and I am bottom.
Wait. Can you please explain bottom, top, and verse? Because me, I'm lost.
Okay, so a bottom is more feminine, which is me. Like I give more feminine energy.
Okay. Does it go with the pronouns?
It doesn't really. You're gay. It ends there, yeah. So it's obviously that. Oh, actually, in terms of the pronouns, I think it also does, because there's other gays that regard themselves as they.
Oh, they.
Or
they bisexual?
Or he. No, it's just a thing. There's gays that don't feel like they are not. They don't fall any other gender. Yeah. They are, non-binary. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, so in terms of that, it's top, bottom, and verse. Obviously, I said bottom is more feminine, which is me, and then top is more, masculine, and then verse, it's, it's in between. So in terms of sexual relations, so the bottom and the top are supposed to date, meaning that the top is the man, and then the bottom is the woman. And then in verse, there's not is siyadlana. In simple terms. Yeah.
Anything is happening. Sometimes you're the top, sometimes you're the verse, sometimes you're the that's complicated. But
at least I'm not there. No shade to the verse.
No shade.
But it's that's what's happening.
Yeah. You were still explaining the shelling.
Oh yeah.
So,
I feel like when it comes to the LGBTQI+, it's more easier on the internet than in person.
Like
TikTok,
Instagram.
Facebook, DMs and all of that than in person, because for me I still find it difficult to
to go out.
To actually recognize a top. Yeah. You get what I'm saying? Yeah.
How do you even recognize between like a top, bottom, and a verse?
I think for me, if you are in like a gay space, and then if someone is acting, masculine, you can see that he has that masculine energy. You can be able to spot that. Okay, that's a top. And then when someone is giving feminine energy, you can see that this is a bottom. But when someone is a little bit confusing, then they are most certainly versatile. Yeah.
Damn. Oh.
But it's very difficult. Like it's me most of the time I get DM'd. I hardly get shelled. Well, I was shelled a couple of days ago.
For the first time. That experience, bro. Like what was happening? What did he say? The approach, like the first impression.
Unfortunately, like I'm not in a space of men. But like he did a good job. Like he called me, he was like, you look beautiful, oh my gosh, can I get your number? And then I did give out my number, like him, because I don't do that.
So would you say Uguti, the LBGT plus community is better than the straight people when it comes to matters of Ukshela? Because a lot of girls are complaining about us gents, which we don't know how to share, like our manner of approach is not okay and stuff. But from what you just said, I just realized, Uguti, They are doing a better job than we are.
Ooh.
Like, it's fact. It's gotta be said because like people are complaining.
Yeah,
They're
you know,
complaining about
and
gens.
I think also it has to do with standards. You know, when you're a person, you have.
yeah.
With me, like honestly, the things that turns me on is when someone like comes to me and say, I would like to take you on a date. Like automatically, you stole my heart.
Yeah, okay,
Like,
the date.
a
Not
date.
OT, can you please meet?
You get what I'm saying? Because
Yeah, I get
I
what you're
know
saying.
that okay,
I
we're
get
going
what
on a
you're
date
saying.
and we're gonna be maybe in a nice restaurant and we're gonna be talking about sense. Full things, yeah, you get what I'm saying.
No OT,
So
not OT, you guys meet and walk
at the
the
park
street,
and
yeah,
then maybe
and
on
then
rekela
order
that
and
is
cold
boring.
drink.
That is boring.
But what if that's what he affords?
That is boring. It means that you're not in my standard.
Oh yeah, standards.
Hence,
it goes back to standards.
I talks about
it goes back
standards.
to standards.
Yeah.
So if someone who's not in your standards approached you, you'd like total rejection.
Yeah, man, it's that's not me because now, okay, I'm not saying that like it should be restaurants all the time, like it should be all of that, but like first impressions for me lasts.
Oh yeah.
And it's not even about money.
Yeah.
It's about Pella, when you take me out on a date, you automatically show me your standards too, and we automatically match. Because I can do that. Maybe after a few weeks I'd be like, oh, actually, can I be the one that takes you on a date because you know we had a good time together?
Reciprocation. You're actually reciprocating the energy and everything. Damn, I hear you. I think as gents, straight gents, we need to like get our act right because
you should.
I'm very disappointed.
You
in
should.
Us. Like, I'm very disappointed in us. Hey, anyways, it's your boy Wamurimu, aka the fashion philosopher. Thank you for watching. See you guys same time, same place next time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. And if you're out there looking for love, DM us on IG at Wamurimu_. It's your boy Wamurimu. It's a rep from me to you. Thank you.